Hi folks, I'm standing at the Aquatic Centre in Crescent Head, which is pretty well appointed actually. It's only a 25-metre heated pool, a little kids pool. You've got a picnic area just here, a bit of undercover and a gym. You know, not too bad, lots of open area, but it's based here in Crescent Head. And it's closed from the 31st of May till early August. So what do? Well, if you want to train and you want a lot of people to come here, you can't. It's closed. Yet it's a 25-metre heated pool. Go figure. Perhaps because it's outside, could be indoors, maybe. But it sort of further reinforces the idea that we do need a central aquatic centre. Not to say this one shouldn't exist for the people out here, and for lifesavers, but lifesavers can't even train in it because it's not open. Not being critical of the management of it or the concept, and it's a very, very tidy pool. But we do need something central geographically in the valley, either in Kempsey itself, where the existing Kempsey pool is, or somewhere even like Fredericton. But we need a full-blown undercover or semi-undercover aquatic centre that can accommodate people that want to swim all year round, have their kids learn lessons in winter so that when summer comes along they're prepared. And this just ain't going to do it. I mean, having pools closed for repair and everything, I can understand that. But it's a heated pool. So what is it heated for? For summer. Anyway, I just think that the whole thing needs rationalisation. I'm not suggesting this be closed. I'm just saying that we want to offer things for kids and families. We need to do a lot better than this. Barbecue for two people here, two families. That probably fits the precious people here, but it's not good enough for our valley and all of our young kids. And lifesavers and lifeguards, people that want to do triathlons, people that just love swimming. So let's rationalise. Let's see what it costs to have an proper aquatic centre, taking into account all the satellite ones that we've got. Cheers.